my squash plants. These have taken off like nobody's business. Let me just, I don't have all of them on this shelf. I have some down on the bottom shelf as well. Let me just turn towards them. Put them all over here. Aren't they doing well? They are just flourishing. And the leaves are a little floppy. I had started trying to get them hardened off, but then we got all of the clouds, and then we had the eclipse. I took them out that day, but I had shading over them, a shade screen over them, and I had been not able to get them out for the following days because we've had nothing but rain. So I'm ready to get them out, but I'm not going to be able to get them actually out and where they need to be until my shipment of soil and everything comes in, so I can get them in the 5-gallon buckets that I'm going to grow them in. But aren't they wonderful? And I know that they're probably going to tell me not to do this, but for as many as I have, I'm going to be forced to put 2 in every bucket. These aren't the flowers that are trying to grow, are they? Oh no, I think I'm going to have to snip those off. Oh yeah, I think I'm going to have to snip those off because I think it's already trying. It is. Oh no, look. Do you see that? That little yellow? It's already trying to bud. Oh no, I'm sorry. You can't be doing that. I need you to start. Oh no. Oh yeah. I need to find out what I need to do at this stage to keep it from flowering and to wait until we get outside. Because I think I'm in trouble. Yeah, I think I'm in trouble. Okay, so that's my squash. Let me maneuver these around because, yeah, I think I'm in trouble with those. I really need to hurry up and get those planted outside because they're already trying to grow the flowers to produce squash, and that's a no-no. And they're going to produce a lot of squash because look at this one. All of those little buds that you see in the middle, each one of those is going to be a squash plant. Ooh, see that one? That one was a female. I think the others are male, but that one was a female. Oh, I'm gonna have to show my husband that when he gets home. Okay, so that was my squash.